Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix missing executable file on Steam. Go to your Steam account, then select the game, then right click on that game, then go to properties, then click on installed files, then click on verify integrity of game files, then close the window, then go to bottom right corner, then close the Steam completely. Now reopen the Steam, then go to Windows, search, then type documents and click on it, then click on this PC. Now open the C drive, then go to program files, then go to Steam, then click on app cache, then select all the files and delete them. Then restart the PC. Now check the program is solved or not. By following these steps, you can fix missing executable file on Steam.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.